Hello everyone, this is the 33rd video of Database Management Systems video series. So today we are going to discuss question set 33. Here also we are going to discuss the scenario we discussed in question set 30. So we were drawing an ER diagram for that scenario. We'll continue that. So this is the scenario. We were talking about earlier shoe center database management system. So in our last two videos, we created gender table, user type table, address table, system login table, city table, GRN table, invoice item table, stock table, product table, brand table, invoice table, and also GRN item table. So today we'll see the next question set. In the first question, they have ask us record the relationship between user and user type in ER diagram. So here's the user table and here's user type table. One user can have only one user type, but one user type can have more than one user. So there's one-to-many relationship between user type and user. We can denote it using this symbol. Now you can see user type ID here, a column user type. We'll see the next question. Record the relationship between user and gender in ER diagram. So one user can have only one gender, but one gender can have more than one users. So there are also one-to-many relationship is there. So we can use this symbol to denote it. We'll see the next question. Record the relationship between user and system login in ER diagram. So one user can have only one login ID. One login ID can have only one user. So there's one-to-one relationship between user table and system login table. So using this symbol we can denote that. We'll see the next question. Record the relationship between user and address tables in ER diagram. One user can have only one address, but one address can have more than one users. So there's also one-to-many relationship exist. Can use this symbol. We can use this symbol like this. We'll see the next question. Record the relationship between address and city in the ER diagram. One address can have only one city, but one city can have more than one addresses. So you can see one-to-many relationship there. Okay, we'll see the next question. Record the relationship between product and brand in ER diagram. So we'll go to that side here. So this is the product table. This is the brand table. So one product can have only one brand, but one brand can have more than one product. So there's one-to-many relationship there. We'll use this icon for that. Okay, next question. Record the relationship between user and GRN in the ER diagram. So here one user can have only one GRN, but one GRN can have only one user, but one user can have more than one GRN. So there's one-to-many relationship there. So we can take the GRN table here. So we'll use this icon for that. GRN table and user table. You can see this relationship. Next question. Record the relationship between GRN and GRN item table. So one GRN can have more than one GRN can have more than one items, but one GRN item can have only one GRN. So there's one-to-many relationship between GRN and GRN item. We'll see the next question. Note the relationship between GRN item and product in the ER diagram. So one product can have more than one GRN items, but one GRN item can have only one product. So there's one-to-many relationship between product table and GRN item table. Next, they are asking the relationship between GRN item table and stock table. So one GRN item can have more than one stock, but one stock can have only one GRN item. So there's one-to-many relationship between GRN item table and stock table. So we can denote the relationship like this. Then we'll see the next question. Then they are asking the relationship between user table and invoice table. So one user can have more than one invoice, but one invoice can have only one user. So there's one-to-many relationship there. Can denote the relationship like this. Next we'll see the question. Then they are asking the relationship between invoice table and invoice item table. So one invoice can have more than one item, but one item can have only one invoice. So there's one-to-many relationship there, like this. We'll see the next question. Then they are asking the relationship between invoice table and stock table. So one invoice can have more than one stock, but one stock can have only one invoice. So there's one-to-many relationship there. Can denote it like this. So this is our final ER diagram for this question. You can see our final ER diagram like this. So this is question set 33. This is the end of my video. Thank you.